Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious burgers with mince beef. Select fresh mince beef, ideally with an 80/20 fat ratio for the best flavor and juiciness. Gently form your patties, aiming for about 3/4 of an inch thick. This helps them cook evenly. Don't forget to season both sides generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper. Now let's get cooking. Preheat your pan or grill to a medium-high heat. Place your seasoned patties on the hot surface. For a medium-cooked burger, aim for 3 to 5 minutes per side. Remember, resist the urge to press down on the burgers with your spatula. This squeezes out all those delicious juices. Once your burgers are cooked, it's time to build. Lightly toast your burger buns. This adds a nice texture and prevents them from getting soggy. If you're adding cheese, place it on the patty during the last minute of cooking to get that perfect melt. Then, layer with your favorite fresh toppings like crisp lettuce, ripe tomato, and thinly sliced onion. Your delicious homemade burger is ready to enjoy. Serve it immediately with your favorite sides, like crispy fries or a fresh salad. Don't be afraid to experiment with different sauces and condiments to find your perfect combination. Remember to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, as well as other great deals. It's a fantastic way to read anywhere, anytime, and perfect for enjoying your favorite recipes or a good book.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.